Today's video, we will be making this cat game where there's a catcher and there's something falling from up the sky. So like this, now I'm going to show you some easy things, and the tutorial will be super duper easy, and it will be also tracking some scores. So now I'm going to show you some games where it's easy, like this. It's super easy. We're going to break this into 5 main steps. So the first step is move the catcher. Here will be a catcher. You're going to move it by clicking on the right or left key. Next, it will go up. So for example, this is the main sprite that will be falling from the sky. So this one will go up to up. Next step, it will fall down from up to down. So the catcher will move to catch it. 5, keep score. We're gonna put a score also, so it can, it will change the score whenever you catch it. If you didn't catch it, it will never make a new score. So now we're gonna start by making a new sprite. So we're gonna make we're gonna just have 2 main parts. So the first part will gonna be the bowl, and the next part will be the object that will be falling from the sky. So this one, I'm going to make it as a cookie. And here, we're going to make it as a bowl. So I have 2 options for you. You can actually bring one without drawing it from the scratch. You can choose a sprite from here. But now I'm going to show you a really quick thing how you can actually draw one. So I'm gonna draw the cookie. So first I'm gonna make a small, and now I made here a small circle. Adjust it, so that's too big, I guess. Well, that's pretty much good. And now for the cookie, I'm gonna make the color. I'm gonna change the brightness of and saturation of the bag. So now maybe it's gonna be eaten a little piece. So I'm gonna using the eraser. I'm gonna make it 20, I guess, and I'm gonna just remove a little piece like this. It will get a piece. And now I'm gonna make a bit lighter so I can do the little chocolate chips on it. So I'm gonna do it really simple. Yeah, but I have here a real problem that it's, I'm gonna just make it like this, so it's gonna be perfect. So now we're gonna make the backdrop. So the backdrop you can choose it from Scratch library. So I'm gonna choose it from there. Now I'm happy with that actually. So now what are we gonna do for the bowl? We're gonna now actually start the real coding. So we're gonna go to events when this green flag is pressed. So when we press the green flag, what it will gonna do forever? Then it will gonna we're gonna put an F, 2 F's underneath, and now grab a fencing. So here key. So if key right if it's correct, or left. So we're gonna choose here left. So for right, it will change x by 10. So put it here. And for the left, we're gonna make it negative 10. Now let's test it out. Yeah, it's working as well. So here we have it. It's moving. See, it's moving. That's great, actually. So now we're gonna make the cookie. So it will gonna go up and do its own job. So first, it will go when green flag. It will go to random position here. Go to random position. After that, set Y to here only. So we're gonna make it will always start from up. So it will gonna be in 100 and 80. So it always start from up, then it will start falling down. Next, we're gonna make when the green flag is pressed, then forever. Let's grab one. Forever, then change y by negative 5. So here's x. Well, it is I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna make it y. So here. So it will change y by negative 5. So now we're gonna make it negative 5. After that, then we're gonna put if. Now we're gonna make it if block. And then if it's greater than that, we're gonna do this one from operating. So if it's negative 170, what will happen if it's negative 100? It will go by position, so put it over there. Next, go to random position. It will go to random position. So grab it. Go to random position and then set y. Here, set y to 180. So now we're gonna make the really last thing. It is now we're gonna make a tracking score. So basically, first when the green flag is pressed, we're gonna make a new variable. So this variable, it will be tracking something. So first we're gonna name it score. It will gonna be sprite. So click OK. Now I will have score. So what it will gonna be set score to 0. Score to 0. And then forever, it will gonna be forever if it's touching what is the vowel. So if touching the vowel, what will happen next? It will change the score by 1. Score by 1. Then start sound pop. So I'm gonna put pop. So go to sounds and start sound pop. After that, it will go to a random position and as well as set y. Set y to 180. 180. So now we're done with our game. So now let's test it out. It's working as well. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did this, I'm going to keep links for everything I showed in the beginning as well as this project. So you can remix it, love, and favorite. This is my Scratch account. It's 𝕃𝕚𝕟𝕜𝕤. So go follow me. And yeah, bye. See ya in the next video.